video, and in this video we will discuss about the RTL NOR circuit. And here you can see uh, RTL NOR circuits. But first, what is RTL? Basically, RTL stands for Resistor-Transistor Logic, foundational circuit, you can say, designed in early computing history. Now let's break down the NOR gate. It's a logic gate that performs the NOR operations. Essentially, it gives an output of true only when both inputs are false. And here you can see the NOR gate truth table that only in the condition when both are false, then it will becomes true, and otherwise it will always be false. And this is the basically working principle of a NOR gate and the truth table of a NOR gate. Now let's get back to our circuitry, and here it's an essential tool for understanding that how different input affect the output in digital circuits using a NOR gate. In an RTL NOR gate, basically transistor and resistor are used to create the logic function. Transistors act as switches, allowing or preventing the flow of current based on the input voltage levels. As you can see here we have the three transistors, and the resistors are controlling the current level and the flow of current, and these transistors are becoming on, or you can say start using these digital inputs, okay, or inputs, logic inputs. So when there is no gate is open and there is no digital input here or logic input here, then all the gates will be closed, and here we have the high outputs. But if any one of the gates will be opens, then this will becomes low and the ground will follow this path and then ground by this. Artificial NOR gates were widely used in early computers due to their simplicity and reliability. They played a crucial role in memory units, arithmetic circuits, and more. And in and as I told you uh, that it's used in the memory units, arithmetic circuits, and more. RTL NOR gates were prevalent in the past. In modern technologies has evolved to use more efficient alternatives like CMOS technology, which offers better power efficiency and faster operations. And that's a brief overview of RTL NOR gates. They have been a fundamental building block in the history of digital electronics. And here you can also see the designing that simply we have to place the three transistors like this, and they are this, and you can say emitter and is directly connected with the ground, and the collector pins is becomes common and connect with the resistors and an input or output. And this directly connect with the 3.6 volt or any DC volt. And basically I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you learned something, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share the video with your friends. And if you need any type of assistance in electrical and electronics project, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number, and you can also visit my Fiverr and Upwork profile. Thank you so much for watching the video.